Hi, I'm Erik Lustgarten, Senior Solutions Engineer here at Apprenda, and today we're going to dig deeper into how Apprenda can truly enable DevOps within your organization. Before we get started, it's really important to understand what the word DevOps really means, or what the concept of DevOps actually means for your organization. DevOps as a term is the combination of both developer and operators. And the idea is that if we bridge these two worlds together through some various tools out there, we can greatly improve in the delivery and the speed at which applications are being delivered within your organization, improve consistency, and improve quality overall at the end. Now, what ends up happening is a lot of these tools try to bring either application terms into the infrastructure world or vice versa. A lot of these tools are simply script and automation around the standing up of infrastructure, the configuration of infrastructure, which is absolutely critical to having a consistent environment to deploy your applications. But it's really trying to fit the application world into an infrastructure world. And we kind of simulated that with the diagram here that you see on this side, and it ends up just being a hassle for everyone that's involved. You try to have developers codify infrastructure, you end up with a lot of scripts for every application on how to stand up infrastructure, how to scale infrastructure, how to bridge all of these different pieces together, and it doesn't end up fulfilling on the idea or the promise of what DevOps really tries to do. In the Apprenda world, Apprenda is a software layer technology that aims to bridge both worlds together, but with the terminology that's consistent with each side of the equation. You have application-specific terminology or concepts in Apprenda for the developer side, and you have infrastructure-related terminology and concepts on the operations side, and Apprenda is the translator between those themes. It's something that's very important, and it's a very powerful concept, because what you end up having with Apprenda, and we show that here in the other diagram on my other side, is that you end up both teams working together. You have your operations team that can use those infrastructure automation tools to stand up new infrastructure in a consistent and agile way. You can bring up infrastructure, you can scale down infrastructure, set up the policies, but that doesn't have to impact your developers. Your developer deployment scripts don't have to change when infrastructure is changing. In fact, they don't even know those things are happening. Operations can truly be autonomous from a software delivery point of view. The same with developers. They can push their applications and they can be fully abstracted from any infrastructure changes. And it's something that's very, very important, because it truly aligns both sides of the equation to achieve the concept of the idea or the outcome that DevOps is trying to do, which is, again, consistent, quick, production quality application delivery. We hope you enjoyed this video and can really see how Apprenda changes the game when it comes to DevOps to really enable your organization to deliver software in the best way possible.